a microphone. First of all, I came to the seminar a month ago, and it was after looking at several websites of different LASIK doctors. And I started asking myself, you know, I paid this amount for my car, and I do this for all these things. Why not pay for the best for me? So I signed up to come to Dr. Wang's seminar, and it was an easy decision to know to come to the best. Though he's going to tell you there are others out there that are wonderful and great. But when it comes to your vision, you do want the best. The staff here is incredible. You're going to meet several people when you come, and all of them are professional and kind, and for me, a good sense of humor. And that is important because it lightens the mood a little bit when you're about to have eye surgery. Like Dr. Wang said, I did have monovision, and I wasn't thinking that's what I was going to have until the day I came for my consultation and my LASIK. And I am so excited because I can read this piece of paper right here, but I can look out there and I can see all the way downtown, and wow, it's just amazing. There was no adjustment time. You will find out, this will lead into my advice for that day. You won't believe me now because it's a little warm in here, but on your procedure day, you need to wear long sleeves because it's a very cold surgery room, and they actually gave me a blanket for that. Also, on that day, I recommend for LASIK people, I came in that morning for my consultation, and that took several hours, most of the morning, and then I left briefly to get a bite to eat, get my driver, and come back, and I had my procedure and left for the day. So it was all in one day, so 1 day loss of work, and I really liked doing that. I told you long sleeves. The other thing I learned that I did not know in advance was they have made a connection with one of the Walgreens to carry the eye drops that you need. And I took that little sheet with the directions because it was not a Walgreens that I was used to going to. Went over there, picked up my prescriptions, and was off to recover. Whereas the next morning, I found out the person that went after me decided to go to their pharmacy, therefore they went to 3 different pharmacies that night trying to find their eye drops. So I recommend that you listen to Dr. Wang's office and go to the Walgreens that is carrying all of the good eye drops. The funny thing about the day is you think you know what you're getting yourself into, but you don't really. And you have to close your eyes after you have your procedure, and you're really not supposed to open them until the next day. So make sure you have a good driver, someone you can trust, and someone that you can trust to guide you down the building and out into the parking lot and all of those good things. Because the person in front of me had 2 people, so they had one in the front and one in the back, and it was, again, a light moment for something that you feel is kind of serious. The other thing that I thought that helped me in my decision is LASIK is an elective surgery, and so I knew that I had the money to pay for it, but a couple of days in advance I went on the website, Dr. Wang's website, and noticed a little pop-up that said to visit carecredit.com, and you can maybe qualify for 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, whatever the deal might be, for 0% financing. So I just clicked on that, and within maybe 3 seconds I was approved, and therefore that was a bonus that day. I get to keep my money a little bit longer, and they were able to process that, and I was very, very happy. So I am a very excited person. I can see, and I thank you, Dr. Wang, and your staff.